You are driving down the highway and your engine starts shaking, hesitating, and feels like it is about to die. A code P062D tells us there is a fuel injector, driver circuit, performance issue on bank 1. This is a serious electrical fault. Bank 1 is the side of the engine that holds the number 1 cylinder. Inside your car's computer, there are tiny drivers, which are basically electronic switches that tell the fuel injectors exactly when to spray gas and for how long. This code means the computer tried to fire an injector on that side of the engine, but the feedback signal it got was wrong. It is like flipping a light switch and the switch falling apart in your hand. The symptoms are immediate and noticeable, including severe misfires, rough idling, stalling, and a massive drop in fuel economy. The computer might even cut fuel to that cylinder to save the catalytic converter. Causes can range from a bad fuel injector to a shorted wire, or, unfortunately, a fried computer. To diagnose this, do not just start throwing parts at it. Start by looking at the wiring harness that runs along the fuel injectors on bank 1. The heat from the engine often melts the insulation, causing wires to touch. If the wiring looks okay, you really need an oscilloscope to see the voltage pattern of the injector. But you can try a resistance test with a standard multimeter. Unplug the injectors on bank 1 and measure the resistance across the 2 pins of each injector. They should all be roughly the same number. If one is way off, that is your bad part. If all the injectors and wires check out perfectly, then the driver inside the PCM has likely failed, which means you might need a new computer or a rebuild. This is a high-level repair, so if you do not know how to test circuits without shorting them, this is the time to call a professional technician.